What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right now we're gonna be working on our tail lights. What I'm gonna do is tint them back because they're kind of shitty right now, as you can see. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on break. Take them off. I believe it's only 4. Unhook it to take them off. Got my boy working on my tail lights. Says I'm good for nothing.
I don't know whose tails these are, but I'm gonna keep them.
Shit.
That's it? What else?
It's just 4. Unhook them and that's it. We have the tail lights off and my boy
Jaden in the car. What are you doing?
Get out the car. Huh? Go ahead. It's not a picture, it's a video, but go ahead. Yeah. Good job.
Alright, people, we're gonna show you a life hack. How to make your tail light bright.
How to make your tail lights shine.
Yeah.
That's right.
We use some hot shine reflect tire shine.
Some reflect. ASMR. Yep. Like new. We're gonna be using acetone. That's how you say it? Acetone. And towel. We're gonna wipe all this. Or polish remover. Look at the process. God damn, expert right here. Make it shine again. He got one, and I'm in the process of one.
Might make the process faster.
Oh shit, go ahead. My boy got the Draco. Hey. We're gonna use some soap on it. Clean that bitch good. Alright, that's it. Go. That's one. I'm gonna put some milk over here. This one.
Thanks.
That's it. After we're done cleaning them with water and soap, we're gonna use nightshades. I'm gonna do it one time first, see how it goes, and if it needs some more, I'll add another one. You just gotta shake it a little bit. Oh, there we go. And then just like y'all remember in school when you used to do graffitis and shit. When it's ready. Now we're just gonna leave it drying for a little bit and go with another pass. It depends how dark you want it, but that's it. We want to wait maybe like 15 to 20 minutes for it to dry. Then you can go for the second round. So let's wait a little bit. Let's make it dry and everything. All right, guys, 15 minutes has passed and this is the results. It looks way better in person, but I'm gonna do it one more time just to make it a little bit darker. That's it. So I tried something different. We're added more sprays on that side and more sprays on this one. That's the top part, so you won't be able to see it anyways. Just to give it like a little side effect too. Look, that side and that side too. Now let's wait another 15 to 20 minutes. This is the third time I did it, and I'm gonna leave it like that. Don't want it too dark. You know, the law be tripping where if you have it too dark, that's a fucking ticket. But it's time to put them back. Time to put them back. Yep. Got the neighbor over there cutting the grass and everything. That's enough. Let's get that one. Then we got one more over there. Just clip that right there. Gotta start from all the way over here in the bottom. There we go. Got some results. Here's the other one. Now, let's see how it looks when you turn them on. And that's how it looks when the lights are on. Looks nice. I'm gonna change them to Valenti, like those. Those are Valenti, but I'll be doing that in the future. And I'll show y'all right now how it looks with the lights on. There's a turning signal. That's how it looks with your emergency brakes on. That's how it looks.